What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you've been here before, and welcome if it's your first time. I'm 6'5" Rider, and on my channel I do motorcycle related content. Alright, so what I actually want to talk about today is something that I've been wanting to do a quick, thoughts and reviews on for a while now, since I've had it for almost a little more than a year now, is my TBR Megaphone 2-in-1 exhaust. This is me ripping it. I gotta say, I love it, man. It sounds great. It performs really well. And honestly, the only thing, well, no, scratch that. I was gonna say the only thing, what's up, dude? I was gonna say the only thing that I have to compare it with is the stock, but I just remembered that I actually rode my friend's Street Bob, and he's got the Bassani 2-in-1. I think Bassani Road Rage, I want to say. His is pretty great too. I mean, no doubt about it. But I don't know with mine. So anyway, a little bit of backstory. I have the Stage 1 on my bikes. I have a Screaming Eagle ventilator air intake and the Screaming Eagle tuner. So basically that's what makes the bike a Stage 1. And so with it being a Stage 1, honestly, it sounds great. That's another club style Street Bob right there. With it being a Stage 1 with the 2-in-1, it sounds great and it feels really good. I've really been meaning to dyno my bike, just because I want to know like what it's putting out right now. I think they were saying stock is around the 87 mile per hour. Come on, go ahead, lady. I think they were saying the stock is around 87 horsepower and 102 torque or something like that. So I'm really curious to see what it's putting out with the Stage 1. So yeah, whenever I actually go ahead and do the dyno, I'll let you guys know in a separate video, of course, what numbers it's producing. I'm probably going to do a dyno soon anyway, because I do plan on going Stage 2 with the Screaming Eagle torque cam. I know a lot of people don't recommend it and say that I'd be leaving a lot of power and torque on the table going with the Screaming Eagle, but I got a really good deal from Harley, and so I think I'm just gonna go with that. Plus I got like a 15% discount in addition to that deal that they gave me. Whoa. That dude almost hit the curb. Yeah, so I'll definitely let you guys know what the results are, what the final results are between, the stock numbers, the Stage 1. Hopefully I'll be able to do a dyno right before the Stage 2. And then obviously the Stage 2 once that's done. And we'll do a little comparison video on that. But that's to come a little bit down the line in the future, not just yet. So the TBR Megaphone is actually made by Two Brothers Racing, but this is their V-twin division. So they got, some TBRs for the Dynas, for the Softails, for the baggers too. I've seen a couple on some road glides and street glides as well, which is pretty cool. I think primarily what they initially specialized in as a company was sport bikes. So as mine, as you can see in the pictures over here, I got the stainless steel color or material, stainless steel material. It actually comes in 3 different colors or materials. Going back to it, it comes in stainless steel, it comes in this black color, and it comes in the chrome version or polished. Looks like chrome, but it's actually just polished. Personally, I went with the stainless steel just because first of all, I love the way the color looks, especially when you blend it with the black bike, so it kind of looks like, you know, black and gold or whatever. It's not really gold, but you know. And the other reason is I didn't choose the polished one or the chrome one is because I'm not a big fan of chrome. I think chrome is really cool on certain types of bikes, not all bikes. So that's why I didn't really go for the chrome version. And then, oh, my bad, y'all. That's not my exit. So that's why I didn't go for the chrome. And the reason I didn't go for the black is because I've heard from a lot of people that had the black is that as the color starts changing, you know, because of the heat and all the gases that go inside the exhaust, the black color starts to fade and it doesn't really look all that nice. As you can see here in this video, how the stainless steel changed colors and it turned into a little bit of a violet to a dark blue, especially the parts under the heat shield. And so I think that looks pretty cool. Oh yeah. Ooh, that feels good. Feels good, sounds good. All is good. This actually looks like a pretty good road to do some clips. Maybe not actually. And the reason why is that it's only one lane and it's actually kind of a main road, so I won't do the ride by clips here. But I will be adding ride by clips to the video, so stay tuned for that. Oh man, look at that view. Wow, that's so pretty. I guess we're dropping a gear here. Yeah, buddy. And the gas light is on as soon as I drop the gear. Wow, alright. That's the place. Found it. That's where we're doing the speed clips.
Twelve seconds later.
We're gonna go ahead and start it again and do a quick walk around, just because I have a feeling that my cold start video didn't actually go through because I had the wire for the mic plugged into the GoPro. So I have a feeling that didn't actually work like I thought it would.
Just then.
So right here, we'll go ahead and give it a warm start. Uh-oh. There we go. There we go. See? Alright guys, as promised, this was the review for the TBR Megaphone Gen 2 exhaust on my 2020 Harley Davidson Street Bob. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you've ever ridden a bike with the TBR on it. Doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be a Harley. Just let me know in general. I personally like this exhaust a lot, and I think it sounds great, and I can't wait to see what happens with the Stage 2. If you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next ride. Peace.